Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Tagry wireless earbuds to your iMac. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to have the sound output of their iMac become their Tagry earbuds. How do you actually connect both of the devices together? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, what we're going to do is that we're going to go into System Preferences on your iMac and then click on Sound and then click on Bluetooth. So once you're on the Bluetooth page, you're going to see that's going to start looking for nearby devices. What you want to do to put your Tagry wireless earbuds into Bluetooth pairing mode is simply just open them up. Now, once they're opened up, you want to make sure that they're not automatically connected to any other nearby devices. So wait until you find your Tagry headphones on your iMac. As you can see here, it's X08, which are my Tagry headphones. You're just going to click on connect. Now, once it's connected, you should see your Tagry headphones say connected on your iMac screen. And you should also see your display kind of disappear. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Tagry wireless earbuds to your iMac. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.